So I've been getting this question a lot recently as the trade war is getting worse, right? It's escalating as a lot of industries will be affected by the tariffs, the trade war. I've been getting this question a lot. Stas, what are some companies, some stocks that won't be affected by tariffs, that won't be affected by the trade war? And I want to break down with you all today in this video a company, a stock that I'm watching that I think will not be affected by the trade war, by tariffs, right? This company, the stock, is truly borderless, right? So we're going to break down what the company does, why I'm watching them, some news that we got recently. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe for more content. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So the company's called BrandPilot AI, and they trade on the OTC markets under ticker symbol BPAIF, and this company is involved in the creator economy. So while other industries are contracting right now, the creator economy is thriving. Think about it, guys. They're fueling innovation. There's a lot of growth and limitless potential in a digital-first world. And BrandPilot AI is taking this world by storm right now. BrandPilot AI gives brands and agencies the tools to optimize and enhance their advertising budgets and amplify their brands. Their AI-enabled technology enables agencies and brands to get a holistic view of their marketing and to deploy a social-first strategy that drives ROI instantly. And we'll break this down more as the video goes on here. And the beautiful thing about BrandPilot AI is they offer a comprehensive AI-driven set of marketing solutions. They offer a unified platform combining paid search called Ad AI. We'll cover that here more in a second. They have organic SEO optimization and influencer marketing under their product Spectrum IQ, and this end-to-end approach addresses both paid and organic strategies, providing a more comprehensive solution than many competitors focused on narrower niches like voice recognition or security applications. And BrandPilot AI is strategically positioned in the roughly $250 billion digital advertising market, which is projected for 2025, with a focus on reducing the $83 billion roughly wasted annually in digital ad spend. In other words, they're making brands more efficient, which saves money, which every business wants to save money. Their tools aim to deliver measurable ROI improvements, addressing inefficiencies that directly impact advertisers' bottom lines. And they're currently solving the $100 billion problem facing advertisers right now. Did you guys know that 20 to 30% of Google search ads have no competing CPC bids? In other words, there are no competitors present at the auction, which means that a lot of brands are overspending on Google ads, which again is where BrandPilot AI's Ad AI product comes into play. You guys can see here on this graphic the monthly overspend projected from Amazon's $5.4 million. This other company, Monday.com, monthly overspends at $1.2 million. Think about that, guys. And like I said, guys, this is where Ad AI comes into play. This product leverages AI algorithms, data sources, and automation to segment and optimize advertising budgets in real time. In simple terms, the AI in Ad AI acts like a constantly working, ultra-precise marketing strategist that ensures your ad spend is focused only on what delivers measurable results, which is super important. It's designed to save money, improve efficiency, and maximize the ROI of your campaigns. Essentially, Ad AI is making marketers see how much money they are saving every day with no loss in website traffic. And this chart right here shows Ad AI reclaiming about $25,000 a day for this business here with no loss in traffic. Think about that. That just goes to show how much businesses are overspending on advertising without really getting much more results. You can spend less money with Ad AI because it makes things more efficient and get the same results. Does that make sense? Very valuable product here. And their SEO tool makes your SEO automation much more simple and effective. You're able to simplify your SEO with automated tools that handle the heavy lifting, from technical fixes to content optimization and Google Business Profile Management. Automate your tedious tasks. This is what their SEO tool does, and it also optimizes your website with ease. And with their Spectrum IQ platform, which is essentially their influencer marketing solution, you're able to tap into a network of influencers across all major platforms, access the database of 400 million influencers across Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, X, Snapchat, and LinkedIn. And guys, influencer marketing right now is more important than ever. So being able to use Spectrum IQ, tap into BrandPilot's database of influencers across all these major platforms, that is vital for your brand's marketing in this digital age that we're in. And what's super exciting about BrandPilot AI is the fact that they're transitioning from a project-based revenue model to now a subscription-based SaaS model, a software as a service model. And this shift enhances scalability and recurring revenue potential, making it more attractive for long-term growth and profitability. That's super exciting. And now I want to share with you all some news we got regarding BrandPilot AI over the last couple of days and weeks. So BrandPilot AI recently announced they joined IAB Canada, which stands for the Interactive Advertising Bureau of Canada, as an official member, which is big news. And this move strengthens BrandPilot AI's commitment to advancing responsible advertising standards and aligns the company with Canada's top digital marketing stakeholders. And joining IAB Canada gives us a seat at the table with the policymakers and marketers shaping the future of digital advertising in Canada, according to the CEO of BrandPilot AI. And they also said with tools like Ad AI, we're not just helping brands grow, we're helping them grow more intelligently. And this membership reinforces our belief that better data, better tools, and better standards can lead to dramatically better outcomes, which I totally agree with. I love that. And this membership allows us to empower marketers to navigate a rapidly evolving industry. And this right here shows us their strategic growth plans for 2025 and some milestones that they just hit. So the strong investor demand is there. The company's private placement was upsized from $1 million to $1.5 million, with over $1 million raised in the first tranche, and the final tranche expected to close this month. And they've seen early success with Ad AI. Following the launch of its free audit, BrandPilot initiated 3 new enterprise audits, offering brands a risk-free way to forecast potential budget recovery using their own campaign data. And look at this, big news: enterprise adoption and pipeline growth. New client engagements span multiple industries, including an agreement with a $75 million plus software company, and trials started with 2 other enterprise organizations, and over $2.5 million in qualified pipeline was added since January. So there's no doubt BrandPilot AI is moving in the right direction, and they're expanding into new channels. The company announced plans to develop a new audit product targeting fraud, waste, and abuse in programmatic, CTV, and retail media, building on its early success in paid search and social. And get this, a study estimated that ad fraud alone cost advertisers $51 billion globally in 2023, with U.S. advertisers bearing a significant portion of this loss. And additionally, BrandPilot AI highlighted that businesses waste an estimated 20 to 30% of their ad budgets on uncontested paid search campaigns, amounting to millions annually, which we covered more about that earlier in this video. And back in February, BrandPilot AI announced that they have successfully secured 2 government grants for a total of $150,000 through the Can Export and MyTax programs. The funding from these programs will be strategically utilized to support BrandPilot AI's key initiatives, including expanding into high-growth international markets, enhancing AI research and development, and strengthening partnerships with industry leaders and academic institutions. So with the trade war escalating, industries contracting, there's a lot of fear around tariffs right now, the U.S. and China. This company, being a tariff-proof company, tariff-proof stock, borderless stock, right? It's a must-watch company as, like we covered throughout this video, they're making businesses more efficient, which, especially in these economic times, businesses want to become more and more efficient as possible using AI, and that's exactly what part of what BrandPilot AI does with their product Ad AI, which I think is going to be huge, and it's going to benefit a lot of companies here moving forward. So guys, make sure to add BrandPilot AI onto your watch list. The ticker symbol is BPAIF, and they trade on the OTC markets. Again, BPAIF is the ticker. And full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This video was made on behalf of BrandPilot AI, and I own 0 shares of this stock right now. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Have a great rest of your day.